Hi, this is Sandeep from Adapt Affairs and we are going to show you how to install a metal center pole umbrella. The umbrella will arrive in two packages. One is the base as you can see and one is the stand. First you need to put the smaller stand and fix it to the base. After that, as you can see, you put up the longer stand and insert it into the smaller one. There are screws provided here to tighten the stand. Post that, you lift this umbrella up and insert the umbrella inside the longer stand. The umbrella has a hand lever inside and the umbrella is opened using the hand lever. As you can see, Sandeep is rotating the umbrella in a clockwise direction in which the umbrella moves. This is a fully open center pole umbrella. If you wish to close the umbrella, you need to rotate the hand lever in the anti-clockwise direction. The umbrella is self-standing and can be closed when not in use. Thank you.